guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back from the Alps, so no more mountain climbing videos for now. Today I am going to do a makeup video. I will do this Sunkissed Summer Fresh makeup with two of our new Fantastick shades. So one on the lips and one on my cheeks. So let's get started. So I already prepared with my base and my brows. What I'm gonna focus on today is to do my eyes and to do my face to get this like nice bronzy summer feeling. Because I don't like to be in the sun, so I kind of fake my tan a little bit instead. So let's start with the eyes first. And as a base, I'm going to use the Flash Crayon in Aueva Flash Crayon. That is a nice brown shade that is glittery, but I think it makes the perfect base for like a nice smoky eye. So I'm covering my whole eyelid and then I'm blending it out with a small blending brush. You can also apply it directly from the brush. And then I'm gonna go underneath my eyes with the same crayon. And I like to keep it I like to use dark colors like pretty far under my eyes, because I kind of like that droopy feeling when you get when you apply dark eyeshadow or pencils underneath your eyes. It also makes your eyes appear bigger, so don't be afraid of using dark colors underneath your eyes as well, because it actually looks good. Sometimes you just have to get used to it. Next is, I think I'm gonna use the Infinity Deep palette, this palette from my own brand, Hallberg Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna go for the warmer shades, so like Red Shift, Light Year, Quasar. I'm using Red Shift, that is a matte warm brown tone, in my crease. And as you can see now, this red tone will it will really enhance my blue eyes, which I think is really nice. Make sure you cover like around the whole eye, so even out here. And then to make it easier to blend, I'm gonna use Light Year in my crease and blend it towards my brow bone. This one is the perfect transition shade. I would say it's also really nice blush, or even as a, not a bronzer, but a contour shade if you have very fair skin. This became a little bit darker than I expected, but I don't really care about it, because I know I said that I was supposed to use Quasar or Solar, but I think I will just dab on a little bit of Polar Star in the middle of my eyelid, just to light it up a little bit. I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna apply mascara. Okay, and also because my lashes, they are so short and so straight, I kind of want to apply false lashes. So first of all, I will do a liner with the Infinity Deep palette. I am going to use Fornax and the angled brush with some water inside this cap here. So I'm just gonna wet the brush a little bit and dip it into the shadow, and then I will do a little eyeliner. I'm about to apply the lashes. I have no idea where the lashes are from, so bear with me, because a lot of lashes I use a couple of times and then I throw away the box and then I don't know where they're from. So these are one of those. Hey guys, so I think that the eye makeup is pretty much done, because I just want it to be like a simple kind of smoky eye look. And let's go to the face. First of all, before I start doing the bronzer, I am going to highlight my face with Virgio from the Infinity palette. Because this is going to be bronzy and it's going to be nice and glowy and dewy, I want to have quite a lot of of highlighter as well. I have gotten many questions about like, why don't you and your brand, why don't you have a bronzer? Why can't you do like a nice bronzer that we can use for the summer? You know what? We do have a bronzer. Actually, our products are multifunctional, and our infinity filter in the shade Deep is actually not only a setting powder, it's also the perfect bronzer. I am going to use infinity filter in Deep as my bronzer. So it will not only smooth out your skin, it will make you look nice and tanned. So I'm using this as a contour slash bronzer. So if you guys are looking for a really nice, this one is matte, but with a little hint of shimmer, and it has some pigment, so it will blur your pores. It will give you a little bit of coverage, and it's a very nice, it works really nice as a bronzing powder. I'm just gonna go all over with it. And if you're hearing noises, I'm at the office and I don't think they're doing some construction work outside, so it's very noisy. Okay, so I bronzed myself a little bit. Now it's time for blush. And for blush, I'm actually gonna use Fantastick Lipstick in Cultured. So either you can just like dab it on your cheeks like this, or you can dab it on your sponge, or if you wanna do it with your fingers, it's totally up to you, because everybody does different and nothing is right, nothing is wrong. If the result is good, then go for it. So I'm gonna do a little bit like this, and I'm gonna dab it out. This also gives a really, really nice glow, which I really, really, really like. Okay, so I'm gonna go for Famous on my lips. Famous is this nice nougaty shade that is, it looks amazing on everybody. If you have darker lips, it will turn darker, and if you have lighter lips, it will turn lighter, and it contains SPF 15. Don't forget the ears when you're doing makeup, because especially if you're showing your ears, so they don't turn red and your face is like tanned and nice and you have red ears. I'm gonna finish off with some H2 Glow face mist. Okay guys, so this is all for today. I hope you like this look that I put together today, and I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!